Hey Titan owners, tonight I'm going to show you how to do the popular Titan Airbox mod. And I just want to disclaim that this may void your warranty. I'm not a professional mechanic, so don't try this at home. And I have my Airbox on my bench. I'm just going to pretend that it's still in the truck and go over what to do. So if your Airbox is in your truck, you'll want to undo this clamp from your air tube and disconnect the wiring harness from the back of the MAF. You can leave the MAF in, just push down on the clip and pull it out. And then you'll also want to remove the MAF wiring harness wire from this bracket and the diff breather hose clip from this bracket. And as far as bolts that you need to remove this 10mm bolt that's holding the Airbox in the truck. And then you can go ahead and unclip your lid and remove your lid. And also remove your air filter. Your Airbox will be in here like this. You can grab it with two hands and yank it out. It's held in by two rubber grommets. The bolts will stay in the truck. Leave the bolts in the truck for the reinstall. So the two rubber grommets will be this one and this one. This bolt will stay in the truck. I have it out because of my aftermarket intake. So, and then reinstall, you just push these back over the bolts. So in here, you can see this air tube. Air comes in here through here. Now stock, this tube goes all the way to about here. And your air is coming in and hitting here and coming up in this spot of the air filter. And you'll be able to tell it's doing that because there will be one spot of the air filter kind of like this corner here, but much more pronounced with the air tube stock because mine's already cut. You'll have one little spot that's really dirty and the rest of the filter will be spotless. So what you want to do is cut your tube back so the air can come out and flow up evenly through the filter into the lid. And you can even go back farther than this. What I used was a Sawzall and I did it in the truck. It's easier if you have the box out of the truck, obviously. Some people will use a really hot knife that will melt through the plastic and that leaves a really nice clean cut. And that's probably one of the best ways to do it. You can also remove this piece from the Airbox. Just be mindful that this is plastic and can be brittle and break easily. And doing any mods in the Airbox could void your warranty. So if you are doing anything, be careful. This will pull out. Something like that, although a little bit harder. So you can pull your tube right out and give it a nice clean cut and reinstall. So that mod combined with a drop-in K&N air filter or another aftermarket cotton gauze will improve your airflow a fair bit. The downside is that those cotton filters do not filter as well as the OEM paper filter. So thanks for watching. Please like this video, subscribe for more Titan content. Cheers.